Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Gmail or Google account by using your Android smartphone. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to completely delete your Gmail account or Google account by using your phone, you can open up any Google app on your phone. I'm going to open up Gmail in this example. Then once inside Gmail, just tap on your profile icon up there and make sure that you have the correct account selected. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Then you need to click on the Data and Privacy tab. Then scroll all the way down until you find the Delete your Google account option. Select that. Next, just choose the account that you want to delete. You might need to enter your password to sign in. Then just tap on Next. Then you'll find this page where you can delete your Google account and you have the option to download your data if you have anything stored inside of this Google account. Then you can just scroll down and you'll see all of the content that will be deleted from this account. And then once you're ready, you can just select these two options and then tap on Delete Account. And that's going to permanently delete this Google account. I hope this quick guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.